This is the Yive Video Builder, also known as Yive Mass Video Builder. Now, below you will be able to see another video that shows how to make mass videos. But this video is to show you exactly how the new video builder is just like the old single video workflow from Vidnami. This is a great Vidnami alternative, and we're going to jump in and show you quickly how you can use the single video workflow like Vidnami to be able to create effortless videos with story blocks videos, text overlay, and transitions. Here we are on the dashboard. To use the single video workflow, you click on Video, you click on Video Build, and then you see that it has all of the social sizes. It has the widescreen for YouTube, it has square for Facebook, and it has vertical for all of the other socials. Now you can make TikToks, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts. So you can select which one that you want. So you select it, save, and go to next step. Now, just like Vidnami, we go ahead and copy and paste our script. Now you just click Generate Content. Now this is going to go ahead and auto-select videos to be able to put as the stock videos in your creation. So we go here into the builder. You have the ability to come in here and edit the text as you. You can go ahead and select where exactly you want to put it on the slide, just like Vidnami. And if you want to make this particular text disappear on the slide, then you can just erase the text, or you can bring it back if you like. Now, the great thing is you can very easily enable this to be able to do the full video, or you can select between 1 and 10 seconds for the video clip so that you can lengthen it or shorten it to the desired length. So we'll say right here we want this one to be 5 seconds, and then we can use the scroll on the mouse to get to the next slide. Now if we see here that we want to go ahead and split this up, then we can go ahead and add another slide. All right, and then we can just copy any text that we want to go ahead and put on the next slide. We can go ahead and put that here if we want. And if we wanted to add another slide, then we could go ahead and do that. We could break up the text a little bit more also. All right, now just like Vidnami, if you did not like the specific video that came here, so say we don't like this video, then you can go ahead and type in a keyword that you want, and it will go ahead and search for your keyword, and it will go ahead and give you stock footage based on the keyword that you selected. You can always load more from the stock library, and you can come in here and you can go ahead and select the ones that you like. So let's say we'll go ahead and add this one. And like I said, we can go ahead and move around the text if we want. All right, so let's go ahead and select some media for this one as well. Okay, and it's very quick and easy to be able to navigate between these. You can go ahead and add a new slide. You can clone the slide. You can delete the slide. You can go ahead and select from images or from videos. And you can also add your own assets. So if you want to go ahead and upload your own assets, you can go ahead and upload those as well. Also, we can do music only. We can do text to speech. And here it has the Amazon Polly and the Google Voice. You can do it in many different languages. English is mine. And then you're able to select the specific names that you like. I really like Ethan and Mark. So let's go ahead and try Ethan. And then you can add background music. You can select music automatically if you want. And you're also able to go between different templates here as well. So you can change how the text overlay looks. All right. And then here we can go back to our slides, and it allows us to go ahead and select what we want. Let's just say art. Let's just say art. All right. And if you have selected specific words that you want, you can actually make those bold just like in Vidnami. So you make them stand out. And if you want to take it away, then you just go ahead and click bold just like in Vidnami, and it will go ahead and take away that highlight. So you can go ahead and highlight the words or the statements that you want. Once you're done, you just go ahead and say Save Changes. And then we can come up here and we can say Save and Continue, Render Now, Save and Exit. So let's go ahead and render now. It will come over here. It will go ahead and render our video. All right, it takes between 30 seconds and a minute, and then you can go ahead and preview your video to see if you like it. We see if we like it, and if it's the way that we want to have it, We see if we like it, and if it's the way that we want it, then we go ahead and stop the video, and then we will click download, click leave, and we can go ahead and right click and save the video as, and it will go ahead and download for us. Quick and easy. Now, if you want to go ahead and try other types of video creation in this software, Amazon videos, keyword videos, URL videos, use your own video videos, multiple URL videos, RSS feed videos, auto dealer videos, spin tax videos, or use your own video remix videos. There is a whole nother world inside this app, but this was the Yive single video builder workflow.